Lamphang kain nomor thawan ka jala megalia ba met ba lingdo luang bo klemsha banra ya kamat yatai lengkon short duration discussion ka bai dei ba ka jingdawa ban wen kam ki pulet ki basak no badon khti ban siat yap yu nong ilam berim ka chelsea lead ba cheers to feel thank you namar ka ne ka banta ka don hapeng ka jing token luang bo la yo priang ya ka sithi nak nat kampoyeng ka bala ka do ba ka jingja ka don hapeng ka jing token da ka judicial inquiry ba la da island banra ya kran kan long persha ya ka rule 59 chong ka rule and conduct of business hakayeng da bar thawan.
See, when it comes to discussion, it is very difficult for me to see which one is sub judice, which one is not sub judice. In the course of the speech of the members, it will be very difficult. Even if you ask them to stop, also they will not stop. But damage done. Okay. And the opinion which was given by the Attorney General also was valid, that Rule 59 prohibits to take up such short duration discussion. Sir, this is very much in the Rule 59. If you go to the Rule 59, I'm sure that you must be having that rule. That clearly is stated about what the rule is and what are the issues that you can take up in the House as far as sub judice matters. No, I have received a letter from the Home Department saying that the matter will attract Rule 59. So on that ground.
Hakawai pat kaliang uluong ba unsapit bniah halor ka jing hylla ki MLA kaliang persya hadin ka jingmi jyndat jongki napo ka yeng dabar thawan ka santrik unai lor arhajar arpui ki MLA ka Congress ki laphet jyndat man penpa wi jing persya bat ka jingbam sha Lamphang ban ailat ban yekren ya kamat yekren lengkot short duration discussion halo ka jingdawa ban wen kam sipor ki pulet ki blasha kan don kti ban siat yap yu ba cheers thank you.
I came to know because I was inside the house. That time it was heavily raining. Couldn't hear anything inside the house. What was going on outside the house? I was told it was like that only. That they were going in the corridor to shouting something or the other. So are they shouting on me or shouting on government? Also I don't know. So let me verify about that. Then accordingly I'll accept.
Okay. So
accordingly I'll accept.